Are you tired of spending time on repetitive tasks every day? Automating your daily routines can save you time, reduce stress, and help you focus on what really matters. In this video, you will learn simple steps to start automating your daily life easily. First, identify the tasks that take up most of your time, but don't require much thinking. These are usually routine tasks like checking emails, scheduling appointments, paying bills, or even managing your to-do list. Next, use the right tools to automate these tasks. For example, use calendar apps like Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook to schedule reminders and meetings automatically. You can also use email filters and rules to organize your inbox without manually sorting messages. Another useful tool is task management apps like Todoist or Trello. These apps can help you create recurring tasks and send you notifications so you don't forget important chores or work. For payments, try setting up automatic bill payments through your bank or service providers. This way, you avoid late fees and save time by not having to log in and pay every month. If you shop online regularly, consider using subscription services or automatic order options. This helps you get products you need without placing orders manually. Smart home devices are also a great way to automate daily routines. Devices like smart lights, thermostats, and voice assistants can control your home environment automatically based on your preferences and schedule. Finally, review and adjust your automation regularly. Make sure the tools and rules you set are still helpful, and update them as your routine changes. By automating small tasks, you free up time and mental energy for more important things like spending time with family, learning new skills, or relaxing. Start small and gradually automate more tasks. With time, your daily routine will become easier and more productive without extra effort. Try automating your daily routines today and experience the benefits of a more organized and stress-free life.